Hey guys, it's me, Liv. So today I'm going to be using the Busy Bee paper pad by Not Too Shabby Shop. This came in the July kit if you went ahead and got the monthly kit. Some months she does have enough to buy them individually, and some months you can only get them in the kit. So definitely go check out the Not Too Shabby Shop. I will have the information linked below if you like this kit. Now I just want to quickly show you the papers. I am a huge fan of double-sided paper. So that is one of the things that I love so much about the designs that were created exclusively by the Not Too Shabby Shop for this paper line. Perfect for the summer and the bees. And when I saw this paper and the bees, it did make me think of my Hexagon thin light dies that I had and how perfect they were going to go together. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out some sheets that I'm going to use for this particular project. And once I have those, I am going to start taking out my dies. I don't take you through all the steps because if you know how to use thin dies, you don't necessarily need to watch it. But what I did decide to do is try to take the largest of the size of the dies and actually do 3 different sizes so that they can actually layer on top of each other. So once I have them all laid out, I'm just going to put them through my Spellbinder dies is what I have. And once I have those all cut out, I will go ahead and actually move on to using some of the faux watercolor paper that also comes in this month's kit for the slimline base. So I'm going to go ahead and create this random pattern here on this blue paper. But this is the faux watercolor slimline cards that are also created by the Not Too Shabby Shop, and they actually do go perfectly in terms of the color scheme with this, and plus a lot of the other collections that she has. So if you do like this paper, again, go check it out. So once I have that again all lined up, time for me to pull up my spellbinders and cut them all out. Now my plan is to create a pattern type look by using the pattern papers that you saw me cut in a variety of the different sizes and actually plug them into the holes of the solid color front. I am only going to be pulling out another of the faux watercolor backgrounds actually as a support because I want to back it a little bit stronger before I mount it onto a slimline base. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that down. I tend to use art glitter glue, and then I'm going to start putting in my different pieces there. I do want different looks, so I'm not picking the same pattern that I'm going to be putting throughout, so that it creates that more of a quilted type of look. Now next, I just wanted to quickly show you how I'm going to create the layered look with the little hexagon shapes here. I'm actually going to be popping up the different sizes. You know, foam tape always gives such fantastic dimension to things. So that's one of the reasons I love to use foam tape. So you can see I have these strips. I actually carry it in a long roll, and I'm going to go ahead and mount those up. Once I have those, I'm going to be using these both for this card as well as the next card that I create. So now you get the gist of the layering. I decided I did want to add some dimension straight onto the card just to give it a little bit more of a pizzazz. And then I'm going to use some of the ephemera that came with the July kit here as well on the card. And then combined it with one of the sentiment stamps from the stamp set. So I'm using the one that says "Be Kind." I've gone ahead and put foam tape behind the little bees, and then I'll just stamp it with VersaClear stamp is what I ended up using. Again, you can use any good black permanent ink that you have. Then I want to take the rest of those layers that I had showed you I had done before and then create a layout here on the front of the card. Now I don't have any particular layout I want to do besides just to make sure that it's fairly evenly placed, because some of these hexagons have triple layers or double layers. They nicely fit in between each other with the foam tape that I had used on the in-between layers. So as you can see, now it's pretty much all come together. I'm going to again pull out my ephemera pack, pop that on there, and then use another one of the sentiments. This one says "Be Wonderful" onto the front of it. And now this card is done as well. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are interested in this July kit, definitely go over to the Not Too Shabby Shop and check out their monthly kits. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.